What's up, guys? We're back. We got Sparks' box of 07-08 Hot Prospects hoops. Good luck, brother. Looking for that elusive Durant. Pack number 1. Alright. Base and an AC green insert. Base and a stat tracker of Danielle Marshall. We got base and the Mika Okafor stat tracker. We got base and an on sticker autograph here. Rookie Ramon Sessions, numbered 11 of 899. Bucks. Ramon Sessions. Triple. Alright. Artist Gilmore insert. This one feels kind of fake. Decoyed. All base. Brewer rookie. Ooh, autograph patch. Herbert Hill. He's a 76er. I tell you what, these patches have been sick. 389 of 599. Herbert Hill. Got another patch autograph.
Nice, Joakim Noah.
Joakim Noah.
Good one.
With a smiley face. That's a nice card. 277 of 399. Short print. All I know is what's his name for the Warriors? C.J. Watson knocked his tooth out when he played at Tennessee. Joakim was pressuring him on the baseline. C.J. just no more teeth. Bleeding all over the floor at Thompson Bowling Green. Base. Ronnie Brewer again. We got a Letterman autograph. This box has got 4 hits in it. Dominique McGuire for the Wizards. Not numbered. Base. 4 packs to go. Base. Base. Last pack. I don't know which name it's from. And base. That'll do it. 4-hit box, not bad. What's up, guys? ATM Sportscards back. Here goes Sparks on box 2 of his Hot Prospects 07-08. Last box had 4 autographs in it. Good luck, bro. Here we go. Base and insert. Same thing. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Notable notations. Number 3 of 25, Morris Peterson.
Nice.
3 of 25. Haven't seen one of those yet. Base, insert. ROY retrospective Amari Stoudemire. Derek, you're in the wrong room, brother. Durant patch auto, that'd be nice.
Derek, I'm going to the room here now.
Base, insert. Oh, it hits it. Alright, here we go. On card. Auto Graphics. Carl Landry for the Rockets. Like on card. D Rose. Get down to it. Three packs. We got a patch autograph. Hey Matt, you know this guy?
Oh, get the fuck out of here. Kevin Durant for the win!
Kevin Durant.
Oh, shit! Boom!
That a baby Sparks.
Sparks, I don't want to hear you bitch anymore now.
Nice.
Damn.
78 of 399.
Damn.
3-color. Autographed rookie card.
Congratulations, brother.
Still got 2 packs left.
That is redone.
Base and insert. Last pack.
Actually, missed a hit. 20 right.
Base and insert.
The last,
There you go.
Let's see.